Let's review our numbers. Here we go. 10, 14, 13, 8. Sorry, that was upside down. 2, 12. Oops. 4, 7, 6, 9, 3, 11, 5, and 1. Good. All right, I'm going to pull out just the double-digit numbers or the numbers that have two numbers together. Each one of those numbers we call digits. So I'm going to pull those out and we're going to look at them and talk about them for a minute. Okay, here we go. Start out with 10. The 10 is a 1 and a 0. It's the 1 means that there is one group of 10s with 0 extra left over. It's like a 10 frame that's full. It's just 10. 11 is one group of 10s with 1 extra left over. You'd have to have two 10 frames. One would be filled, and then there would be one colored in the next 10 frame. 12 is one group of 10 with 2 left over. 13 is one group of 10 and 3 left over. And 14 is one group of 10 with 4 extra left over. So I'm going to mix these up and let's just review these. Once you get these teen numbers done, all the rest of the numbers will be easier, I promise. 14, 12, 10, 11, 13. Good. Let's do it one more time. Here we go. This time I'm not going to say them. You say them. Here we go. Good job. Okay, we haven't practiced counting in a while. So this is what we're going to do for the last few minutes. If you have a piece of paper and a pencil handy, I want you to count. We're going to start with number 1. You don't need to see me a whole lot. Start with number 1, count the circles, and write the number. Go ahead. Touch each one of the circles as you go. All right, I didn't write the answer and I'm not going to tell you till we're all done. Do number 2. Count all the flowers and write the answer. All right, number 3. Count the triangles and write the answer. Number 4. Count the hearts and write the answer. Number 5. Count the stars There are 2 rows of stars. Start at this end, count across, then come back to this way. Remember, we read from left to right. Number 6, count the rectangles and write your answer. And number 7, count the trees and write your answer. Okay. Now, if you aren't finished, you can pause the video, finish, and then come back to it, and we'll do the answers together. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer to number 1 is 8. There are 8 circles. Let's do number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 flowers. Number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 triangles. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hearts. Number 5, let's count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 stars. How do we write a 14? A 1 and a 4. Good. Let's count the rectangles in number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 rectangles. Good. And let's do the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you write a 12 by making a 1 with a 2 right beside it. Great job, guys. Thank you for your hard work. Kiss your brain and have a good day.